Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stitching our way into the world of the best embroidery machines. Whether you're just starting your embroidery journey or you're a seasoned pro, having the right machine can make all the difference in your designs. From user-friendly options for beginners to powerful machines for professional use, we've rounded up the top picks that deliver precision, ease of use, and quality results. All the product links are in the description below. So let's get started and find the perfect embroidery machine for you. Number 5. SmartStitch S1001 Upgraded Embroidery Machine. The S1001 Upgraded Embroidery Machine is made for commercial-level embroidery with a compact and modern design. It includes 10 needles and can reach speeds of up to 1,200 stitches per minute. This setup allows users to complete various projects more efficiently, especially on items like shirts, caps, bags, and shoes. Its embroidery area measures 9.5 inches by 14.2 inches, which gives enough space for medium to large designs. A 7-inch touch display provides access to settings and previews for design adjustments before stitching begins. The structure is built using aluminum, which gives it a balance between strength and lighter weight. The unit measures 25 inches in depth, 34 inches in width, and 33 inches in height, making it a suitable choice for both home businesses and commercial workspaces. This machine includes features such as automatic thread trimming, color switching, and thread break detection. It has a self-lubrication system and includes new physical control buttons, which can make operation more straightforward. Number 4. Brother SE600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Brother SE600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine is designed for home use, combining stitching and embroidery functions in one unit. It includes a variety of preloaded patterns that let users personalize items such as clothing, bags, and accessories. This machine is suitable for individuals who want to explore creative projects with lettering options and design features without needing multiple tools. With a built-in touch panel that measures 3.2 inches, it allows you to view and adjust patterns directly on the screen before starting. This feature helps reduce mistakes and makes design placement easier. The machine supports a stitching space that is 4 inches by 4 inches, which is ideal for most small to medium projects. Users can manage embroidery and sewing settings with precision while working on different types of fabric. The machine is powered through a corded electric source and weighs about 26.24 pounds. Number 3. SmartStitches 1501 Commercial Embroidery Machine. The S1501 Commercial Embroidery Machine is made for professional use and offers flexibility in design work across different materials. With a 15-needle setup and a wide embroidery space, it supports stitching on items such as shirts, bags, shoes, and structured caps. This machine includes a 12-inch touch display that gives users control over design placement and adjustments, making it easier to manage embroidery tasks with less effort. It can reach up to 1,200 stitches per minute, allowing for quicker completion of detailed projects. The machine uses a sturdy aluminum build and comes in a blue base version. Its power source is corded electric, and it has a weight of around 209 pounds. Number 2. By the Mirror Embroidery Machine. The By the Mirror Embroidery Machine is a multi-needle option created for embroidery work on hats, clothing, and other items. It has a large embroidery field that allows for work on bigger designs. This equipment is built for commercial use and can be helpful for users wanting to create patterns on t-shirts, jackets, shoes, and more. It is designed with a high stitch rate that can go up to 1,200 stitches per minute and offers stable speed during work on structured materials like hats. The machine uses an aluminum build and is powered through a corded electric source. Number 1. Brother PE800 Embroidery Machine. The Brother PE800 Embroidery Machine is designed for those interested in embroidery work at home. It includes a wide range of built-in patterns that offer creative options for various designs such as floral and quilting styles. This machine is suitable for people who like to personalize items with lettering or monograms using multiple font types available in English, Japanese, and Cyrillic styles. It allows you to explore different types of projects with the flexibility to work on more detailed embroidery pieces. The device includes a digital screen that helps you see the design before starting, which makes the task easier and more accurate. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.